If you're looking for the best radiator stop leaks in 2025, you're in the right place. In this video, we've carefully selected the top 5 radiator stop leak products that can help seal minor coolant leaks, prevent overheating, and extend the life of your cooling system. We looked at effectiveness, compatibility, ease of use, durability, and real customer feedback. All the product links are in the description below. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1, Bars Leaks 1196 Radiator Stop Leak. This one is our top pick for a reason. Bars Leaks 1196 Radiator Stop Leak is a reliable solution designed to stop and seal minor leaks and drips in your cooling system caused by normal wear and age. Whether it's a leaky radiator, a worn out head gasket, a damaged heater core, or freeze plugs, this product has you covered. It's compatible with all types and colors of antifreeze, including yellow, orange, red, pink, green, blue, and purple coolants. That makes it perfect for almost any cooling system on the road today. Just one bottle treats up to 4 gallons of coolant, making it ideal for 6 and 8 cylinder engines, while half a bottle is sufficient for smaller 4-cylinder systems. It's affordable, easy to use, and backed by decades of trusted performance. Number 2, Bars Leaks HDC Radiator Stop Leak Tablets. Next up, we have another great product from Bars Leaks, the HDC Radiator Stop Leak Tablets. These tablets seal leaks, condition your cooling system, and help prevent future rust and corrosion. They're perfect for regular maintenance and extend the life of your water pump by lubricating its seals. One of the standout features is its ability to inhibit electrolysis, which helps reduce internal corrosion and failure of aluminum parts. Just drop them into your radiator or overflow tank. No mess, no hassle. It's a trusted, mechanic-approved solution that's as easy as it is effective. Number 3, AlumAseal ASLC16 Radiator Stop Leak. Coming in at number 3 is the AlumAseal ASLC16 Radiator Stop Leak, a simple but powerful product that's been trusted for generations. This one works fast, sealing small leaks safely, quickly, and easily. Whether your cooling system uses antifreeze or just plain water, AlumAseal works seamlessly with both. It's completely safe for all types of metal, plastic, and rubber components, so you won't risk damaging your radiator or hoses. It also includes a water pump lubricant, helping your engine run cooler and more efficiently. If you need a no-fuss, cost-effective solution that just works, AlumAseal is a solid choice. Number 4, Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak. At number 4, we have a premium product from Germany, Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak. Known for their high-performance automotive products, Liqui Moly doesn't disappoint here either. This product works immediately to seal small leaks in your radiator and heater core. It also protects your engine's combustion chamber from damage caused by coolant intrusion, and it's compatible with cooling systems with or without water filters. Its advanced formula offers instant results, and because it's from Liqui Moly, you know you're getting professional grade reliability in every drop. If you're looking for top-tier performance, especially in European vehicles, Liqui Moly is a smart investment. Number 5, K-Seal ST5501 MultiPurpose One-Step Leak Repair. Finally, at number 5, we have the heavy hitter, K-Seal ST5501, a multi-purpose permanent leak repair solution. This product works in minutes and permanently seals leaks in radiators, head gaskets, heater cores, water pumps, and even the engine block. It's compatible with all antifreeze types, and you don't even need to flush or drain your coolant. Just shake, pour, and go. K-Seal is trusted by professional mechanics, independently tested to meet ASTM D3147, and sold in millions worldwide. Its unique formula seeks out holes and cracks and seals them without affecting the efficiency of your engine's cooling system. If you need a long-term fix for a serious problem, this is the one to reach for. And that wraps up our list of the best radiator stop leaks in 2025. All of these products are affordable, easy to use, and trusted by car owners and mechanics worldwide. Whether you're dealing with a minor drip or looking for a permanent fix, one of these top 5 will get the job done.